Hi everyone, and tonight we have another video on a problem based on algebra. So this is for my students who are having issues with the question that they were asked to do as homework. So this is the question. The diagram shows a pulley system. The tension T in the string is given by the formula T equals to 2mng divided by n plus n, where T is in newtons, m and n are the two masses in kg and grams. And g, is the acceleration due to gravity in meters per second squared. So 11a, what is the value of T when m equals to 3, n equals to 1, and g equals to 10? Now this is a very easy start. Okay, so we have T equals to 2mng over m plus n. Okay, so when m equals to 3, you just substitute the values in. When m is 3, n is 1, 1, and g equals to 10, okay, over m plus n, m is 3 plus 1, okay, so this is 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 1 is 6, okay, and then 6 times 10 is 60, 3 plus 1 is 4, so this is 15. So T equals to 15 newtons, okay, when m equals to 3, n equals to 1, and g equals to 10. Very easy start to the question. Okay, I hope that you just see that you just substitute the values inside, and this is what we get. Now on to part B. Part B requires us to change the subject of the formula to n. Now, for those of you who are still struggling with the change of subject of the formula, there's a video that we just posted. I think it's algebraic manipulation problem 2, video 2 if I'm not wrong. I'll post the link below, or I'll add a speech bubble. Okay, so we are looking at making n the subject. Okay, so the first step we do is to multiply both sides by m plus n, which is the denominator of the fraction on the right hand side. Okay, so that's what we are doing, 2mng. Okay, what we have done is we have multiplied both sides by m plus n. Okay, so we expand it out, tm plus tn equals to 2mng. Now there are two n terms, tn and 2mng. Okay, what I would like to do now is I would like to make sure that these terms are on the same side. Okay, so what I'm doing is tm plus tn minus 2mng. What I've done is I've deducted 2mng from both sides equals to 0. Now the first term t times n here is doesn't have the n term. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to deduct tm from both sides. Okay, 2mng equals to minus tm. Okay, I factorize out the n. T minus 2mg equals to minus tm. Okay, and then I divide both sides by t minus 2mg. T minus 2mg minus tm over t minus 2mg. Now, for those of you who are irritated like myself with the negative sign over here, what you can do is we can change the sign at the base. Okay, so n equals to tm over 2mg minus t. Okay, so this is your answer. Very, very easy manipulation, making n the subject. And we'll move on to part C. So part C requires us to find the value of n when m equals to 5, g equals to 10, and t equals to 50. It's a simple matter of substituting the values inside. So this is what we got from the previous question where we made n the subject. Okay, so when t equals to 50, okay, just substitute in. M equals to 5. Okay, this is what I'm doing, just substituting all the values in. 250, okay, and then g is 10. And then t is 50 again, if it's not, yes, that's right. Okay, so on the numerator, 50 times 5, 250. Okay, 2 times 50 is 100, 100 times 10 is 1000, minus 50. Okay, so what you're going to do is it's a matter of simply making everything right by just manipulating them. Divided by 5, 5 over 19. Okay, so I see. I think we may have a problem. I think we have a problem over here. There was a mistake. There was a mistake. I'm not going to erase it because I'm going to show you that I'm human. Okay, this is not 50. If so, this is wrong from here onwards, because even the best of us make mistakes. So this is wrong. Okay, if I can continue in red over here, n equals to t is 50. Okay, m is 5. Okay, which is right. And then 2, instead of 50, this should be 5. This is 10. Okay, minus 50. Okay, this is what I'm just substituting the right values inside. So the numerator is 250. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 minus 50 the denominator. Okay, and over 50. And n equals to 5. Okay, and since n is the masses in kg, so n equals to 5 kg. Now, question A and C are just simple questions that require you to substitute in the values of some variables. Okay, so this is quite straightforward. What is difficult here, or what is slightly more challenging here, is question part B. So be very careful in part B, and of course, as I've shown you just now, I made a mistake in question C, so be careful when you substitute in the terms. So once again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a clearer idea of now of how to do question 11 in this case, and comments and suggestions are welcome as always. Thank you very much.